Placa. Curtain disinfection system with the use of an air purifier. Hospital curtains can be carriers of infectious disease due to frequent hand-to-hand contact. Normally, hospital curtain contamination can be easily neglected by the staff. Therefore, hospital curtains are exposed to bacteria and viruses, and is at risk of serving as a reservoir for infection. Our product is designed to hold the curtain's handles only, in order to minimize the risk of infection. In general, the UV method used for disinfection has a disadvantage in that the shadow portion of the curtains are not disinfected. However, the generation of reactive oxygen species using plasma technology can solve this disadvantage. 4 plasma generating units are used for overall disinfection of the curtains. The upper part of the cylinder is opened so that clean air can exit the product. The product is a slick, cylindrical shape which emphasizes the superior cleaning properties of our product. This technology can be applied to similar product groups such as blinds. It can also be applied to curtains that are distributed in almost every area of our lives, including laboratories, homes, and public places.